Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Tanya Khanna and today I am here to share some home remedies to get rid of dark under eyes. So first of all, I am going to tell you that there can be many reasons for dark circle under your eyes like heredity, lack of sleep, unhealthy diet, aging, losses of collagen, fatigue, allergies, sun exposure, prolonged crying, strained eyes, dry skin, or mental stress. So first and best thing you can do is to have healthy life, avoid junk food, proper sleep and decreasing your screen hours. There are a lot more remedies but the best and effective ones I'm going to show you now. So first of all we'll talk about potato. Potatoes are rich in vitamin A, vitamin C and starch which aid nourishing the skin around your eyes and prevent dark circles. It also reduces puffiness and swelling around your eyes. Now coming to the second remedy, make your own under eye cream. Aloe vera gel works like magic for nearly all skin problems. It is effective in reducing dark circles naturally. Almond oil contains retinol, vitamin E, vitamin K, which can help the delicate skin under your eyes. Honey. Honey is moisturizing and safe for tender eye skin. Honey is an explosion of antioxidants and nutrients. It lightens the skin by getting the blood flowing. Now coming to the third and last remedy, baking soda. Baking soda. Baking soda has bleaching and exfoliating properties and helps in lightening the hyperpigmentation in the skin as well. My next upload will also be about baking soda, that how to use it on your skin to prevent acne, sunburn and dark spots. I love you all. Wash your hands, sanitize your hands, stay home, stay safe, build your hobbies, play Ludo, play chess, do whatever you want to do. I will see you in my next video. If you do like my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.